Dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss breast augmentation or breast enhancement surgery. Many of you have been asking us many questions regarding this popular procedure. This is one of the most commonly performed cosmetic surgery procedure in case of women. In this video I will discuss who is the right candidate for this surgery, who benefits the most, what exactly is the procedure of breast augmentation, and what are the risks or complications involved in this procedure. Hope you find this video useful. Dear friends, I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area since last 15 years. Over the years, I had the privilege of treating more than 10,000 patients with various skin, hair and cosmetic issues. If you have any query regarding any of these, you can reach me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp or YouTube. We will be very happy to help you. Who exactly is the right candidate for breast augmentation or breast enhancement procedure? If you feel that your breasts are inadequate in size, or they are too short for your frame, or you feel that your breasts are not in proportion to your body, you can consider breast implant surgery. Or in some cases, if you feel that your two breasts are not equal in size, it can be corrected by breast augmentation or breast enhancement procedure. Apart from that, many women lose volume in breast post-pregnancy or due to aging. Even then, breast augmentation procedure can be right procedure for you to restore that lost volume. Now, what exactly is right age for performing breast implant surgery? Once you are an adult woman and you feel that your breast size is inadequate and you will be helped by increase in size and it can add to your confidence, you are right candidate. There is no age where we can say that this procedure is not appropriate or cannot be performed. If you feel that your breast enhancement will lead to restoration of your confidence or enhancement of your self-image, you are right candidate for breast implant or breast augmentation procedure. How exactly we choose the right size of implant for breast augmentation? So breast augmentation implant size should lead to three factors in outcome. It should provide us best possible cosmetic outcome. It should be safe, and it should not lead to increase of chances of complications. How do we ensure that at Iconic? While choosing breast implant, we keep measure of three things. One, your body frame. Two, quality of your skin in breast area, and the size of your existing breast. If your frame is large, then you can easily tolerate large size implant. And many times we may suggest you a lesser size implant if you are insisting on implant which is much larger than your body frame and will be out of proportion. Second is quality of skin in your breast area. If skin is very thin, then you may not do well with larger implant. If skin has significant thickness, then maybe you can take larger implant. Apart from that, the size of your existing breast also guides us making a right choice about size of the implant. If you have significant breast tissue, then you may not need as much augmentation, or you may do well with smaller implant. In case breast tissue is very less and skin is quite lax, then you can take very large implant also. So end of the day, the final say will lie with your plastic surgeon, who will keep in mind what exactly is right for you, which will provide us best possible outcome and safety. So what all benefits you get by doing breast enhancement or breast augmentation procedure? Breast augmentation or breast enhancement procedure is one of the most satisfying cosmetic surgery procedure performed on women. It enhances your confidence by great limits. You tend to be more confident, and any inadequacy you felt about your physical self gets restored or gets eliminated. Second, it can enhance your self-image, which leads to better communication, better relationships, and feeling of confidence in moments of intimacy. Apart from these psychological benefits, breast augmentation does benefit anatomically also. If you have minimal sagging or mild sagging, breast implant can lift your breast. Further, when you have adequate breast size, you can have more well-fitting clothes which are in proportion to your body, and you don't need to use any accessories like padded bras or any other synthetic external implants or anything. So breast augmentation not just restores your confidence, personality and self-image, it improves you physically also. Anyone who's considering breast implant is usually worried about linkage of breast implant to breast cancer. There are few things which are very important to understand whenever you are considering breast implant, and back of your mind you are worried about whether it can increase your risk of developing breast cancer. First thing is, breast implant surgery is not a new surgery. This surgery had been around since decades. Millions of women have got breast implant surgery done over the years. There are many studies which have been done to find out any linkage between breast cancer and breast implants. Till date, there is no study which is able to prove that breast implants can increase your chances of getting breast cancer. So it is safe to say that breast implant surgery will not increase your chances of getting breast cancer. So as far as risk of breast cancer is concerned, breast implants are not going to increase your chances of getting breast cancer in future. Second part which is important to understand is whether breast implants interfere with finding out breast cancer which can develop later otherwise without breast implants also. Now, since most of the breast implants are almost always performed behind the breast tissue, they usually do not interfere with detection of breast cancer. We always advise you to keep checking your breast for any evidence of lump or anything else, or do routine mammographies. Breast implant surgery can safely be performed before marriage. This procedure takes around 4 to 6 weeks for complete healing. So if you are planning this procedure before your marriage, please allow yourself 4 to 6 weeks for healing of the surgery. This procedure doesn't interfere with your married life in any way. This doesn't interfere with your ability to breastfeed or pregnancy or in your moments of intimacy. So this procedure can safely be performed before marriage, or even if you are married, this procedure only needs 4 to 6 weeks of healing time, and it can be considered post-marriage also. Breast implant surgery does not interfere with breastfeeding. Breast implants are placed behind the breast tissue, so the entire milk producing mechanism of breast stays intact. So this procedure can safely be performed in unmarried women, and it does not interfere with your future pregnancies or your ability to feed your child. So even mothers who have born children, they can undergo this procedure, and it will not interfere with their ability to feed their children in future. Very frequently during my practice, I get to see women who have sagging breasts. Now this sagging can be due to loss of volume or due to natural aging process. It is important to understand that sagging can be improved by breast implants. It is also important to understand that only mild to moderate sagging can be dealt with breast implants. Breast implants will generally correct up to 2 to 4 centimeters of sagging, and if sagging is significantly more than this, we may need a breast lift procedure. So if you have mild sagging, yes, breast implants can be done, and it will correct that sagging along with increase of volume. How safe is breast implant surgery? Breast implant surgery is very safe procedure. First and foremost factor for ensuring safety of the procedure is choosing a plastic surgeon who's experienced and well qualified. Second most important thing is choosing right kind of facility where this procedure is being performed. We perform all our procedures in a facility which is fully equipped and safe. Third, the most important factor in safety is the approach we have at Iconic Clinic, which we label as 360-degree approach. While performing breast implant surgery, safety is top priority for us. I always like to use implants which are frequently used in Europe and US. We choose best quality and the safest implants for you. Further, when we choose size of the implant, we always keep the longevity of results and the results which will continue to look for good for very long time. How painful is breast augmentation or breast enhancement procedure? We perform this procedure under anesthesia, so procedure itself is completely painless. Post-procedure at Iconic, we ensure that you get intercostal blocks which provide you pain-free recovery for first 24 to 48 hours. Post 24 to 48 hours, you may have some mild discomfort and pain in your breast area, which is largely because of stretch happening to breast tissue, which is usually managed by routine painkillers. We expect that after 48 hours, you should be back to your routine work, which doesn't involve any strenuous activity or any other lifting of weight, etc. As far as strenuous activity or going to gym or lifting weights is concerned, we expect that you should start these activities around 12 to 14 days after the procedure carefully. As your tolerance to these activities increase, you can keep increasing these activities, and by 3 to 4 weeks we expect that you should be able to resume all of your activities including gyms and lifting weights, etc. Breast enhancement or breast augmentation procedure is performed under anesthesia and usually takes 1 hour to 1.5 hours to perform this procedure. Post procedure, we like to observe you for another 4 to 6 hours at our clinic, and then many times we should be able to send you home same evening. In case we are performing this procedure later in the day or you are from outstation, we may ask you to stay overnight at our clinic.